Welcome to our fascinating journey into the world of ants. Today, we're going to explore some mind-blowing facts about these tiny but mighty creatures.
Did you know there are over 12,000 known species of ants? Scientists believe there may be even more yet to be discovered.
Ants can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Their ability to adapt has made them one of the most successful insects in the world.
Despite their small size, ants are exceptionally strong. They can lift objects that are 50 times their own body weight.
Ants communicate using a combination of pheromones, sounds, and touch. They use these methods to relay messages about food, danger, and more.
The ant queen's primary role is to lay eggs. Some queens can live for decades, outliving their worker ants by many years.
Worker ants are all female. They perform various duties such as foraging for food, caring for the queen's offspring, and defending the colony.
Male ants, known as drones, typically only have one role: to mate with the queen. After fulfilling this role, they often die shortly thereafter.
Some ants form supercolonies that can span hundreds of miles. These massive colonies contain millions of ants working together seamlessly.
Fire ants are known for their painful stings, which inject venom. This venom can cause intense burning and even allergic reactions in some people.
Leafcutter ants are known for their ability to cut and carry pieces of leaves back to their nest. They use these leaves to cultivate fungus, which serves as their primary food source.
One of the most fascinating aspects of ant behavior is their highly organized society. Each ant in a colony has a specific role and works together in perfect harmony.
Army ants are known for their aggressive foraging behavior. They form large swarms that can overwhelm and devour prey much larger than themselves.
Bullet ants are infamous for their excruciating sting, which is said to be as painful as being shot. Their sting ranks highest on the Schmidt Sting Pain Index.
Ants have two stomachs, one for digesting their own food and another to store food to share with other ants in their colony through a process called trophallaxis.
Some species of ants form mutualistic relationships with aphids. The ants protect the aphids from predators and in return, they harvest the honeydew produced by the aphids.
Ants have an impressive memory and can remember the paths they take to find food, even in complex environments.
When an ant finds food, it leaves a pheromone trail back to the nest, which other ants then follow to the source.
Ant queens can produce millions of eggs during their lifetime. A single queen can establish a colony that will thrive long after she is gone.
Ant colonies can build complex underground tunnels and chambers. Some species construct nests that are several feet deep and wide.
The largest known ant colony spans over 3,700 miles in Europe. It's home to millions of worker ants and thousands of queens.
Ants don't have lungs. They breathe through small holes all over their bodies called spiracles.
Some ants have specialized workers known as majors, or soldiers, with larger heads and mandibles for defending the colony. There are ants that farm other insects. For example, some ants herd and protect aphids to continuously harvest the honeydew they produce.
Ants use their antennae not just for smelling but also for touching and communicating with other ants.
Some species of ants engage in slavery by raiding the nests of other ants, capturing their larvae and pupae, and then forcing them to work in their own colony.
Different species of ants have different dietary preferences. Some prefer sugary substances, while others are strictly carnivorous.
Ants are famous for their cooperative behavior. They work together to build nests, find food, and defend their community.
Honey ants have workers known as repletes that store honeydew and nectar in their swollen abdomens, serving as living storage vessels for the colony.
In certain species, Worker ants can become gamergates and lay eggs if the queen dies, ensuring the continued survival of the colony.
During their nuptial flight, male and female ants will leave their colonies to mate. Once mating is complete, males usually die, and fertilized females go on to start new colonies.
Trapjaw ants have one of the fastest predatory strikes in the animal kingdom. Their jaws can snap shut at lightning speed to catch prey.
Ants have compound eyes made up of numerous small lenses, which give them a wide field of view and incredible motion detection.
Harvester ants collect and store seeds as their main food source. They are known for their elaborate granaries inside their nests.
Weaver ants create nests by weaving together leaves using silk produced by their larvae. This creates a strong and secure home in the trees.
Bullet ants live in colonies high up in rainforest trees. Their nests are typically located in the tree bark or in hanging vines.
Ants can sometimes be observed using natural objects like twigs and soil particles as tools to assist them in carrying food or building their nests.
Ecologically, ants play crucial roles as decomposers and predators. They help break down dead organic matter and control pest populations.
Ants have been around for over 100 million years, dating back to the Cretaceous period when dinosaurs roamed the Earth.
Despite their size, ants have a complex brain and nervous system. They are capable of learning, memory, and problem solving.
Thank you for joining us on this incredible exploration of ants. We hope you've enjoyed learning about these remarkable insects. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fascinating facts on our channel.